Hello, Jamie here from Craftmania, and it is that time once again where we get to launch a brand new John Next Door die that hopefully will be in this little box here. Now I say a little box, this week we've got kind of a big box coming from Crafts too, and I have a feeling I know why, because I think it is going to be chock full of albums for you if they've got them in stock, because you guys have been buying our albums at a very, very rapid rate. So hopefully we've got more in stock in this little box, along with some new goodies and of course the all important back in stocks and John's brand new die set for this week. Now, as always, as you watch today's video, everything I share with you is going to be available on the website and of course here in store at Craftmania. Now the store is located at 5 Hewitt Road, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk, on Gapton Hall Industrial Estate. And of course, you can go onto the website, which is www.craftmaniacrafts.com. So you'll be able to find all of the bits and bobs we're looking at. As always, if you spend over £15 and you live here in the UK, you're going to receive free UK P&P. If there's anything you would like sent to you around the world, no problem. Check out the customer service tab on the website to find out how our international shipping works. Now, what do we have in the box to begin with? We have got little stamp presses. Now, these are super, super cute. These are perfect. They've got little spongy feet. You pop your stamp on the middle. You can give it a good push down and see where you've stamped it. It springs up. If you've missed a bit, you can pop that back down and apply a bit more pressure. These are really fun for if you're doing big backgrounds quickly. Save having to keep moving that block around or on your stamp press. You can just put the stamp on it and pop it down wherever you want it to be and make some quick backgrounds. So I personally have one of those for that reason and that reason only. Then we move on to our corner rounders. Now these again are actually, I can't say corner rounder, these are not corner rounders, they're corner inverters. They will cut your corner so it has that line taken off of it. So it literally cuts away that corner element. So they're rounding it like this one here, it's going to cut it away and make an inverted corner. And we do quite a few of these. We also do of course have the roundy ones. We've got some hunky-dory ones of those in different sizes, but these ones are your inverters. And there are 4 of those coming out of the boxes. We then sold out of these, and you'll hear me say that a few times today, I'm afraid, on this unboxing. We sold out of these at our demo day here at Craftmania on Saturday. These are the multi-purpose craft mats by John, or by Crafts 2 really, but they're silicone mats, they're heat resistant, they're covered in imperial measurements, and you can cut them to whichever size you wish to work with them. But they start off at quite a big size, they're 38 centimetres by 76, so that's quite a huge mat, and you might wish to trim it to wherever you want it to be. These of course have 10% off because they're part of our Crafts 2 range of goodies, and pretty much all of those have 10% off within reason. Then this is something that our lovely Gwen was playing with, and I know she sold out of these, so we've got back in stock requests for these already. So a few of these are going to have to go to those, but if you've not seen them before, these are your dual pickup tools from Crafts 2. They make all of your pickups very, very easy because they are sticky and easier to work with. Then carrying on into our little box, something else that Gwen I know was using and sold out of is the release tools. I hope there is more of these in this box than this one, but we will see. Something I was playing with on my desk, and it was news to me, I'd never used one before, are the stamp press tools, I should say. So these are the ones that when you've used your stamp press, instead of pushing down with your fingers and getting blotchy pressure, you use this and you go across the top of it and it gives you a much crisper stamped image. The second we used these on demo day, they flew out of the door, and we've already got back in stock requests for these. So I'm going to throw all of these ones over here because I have a feeling there's quite a few of those in this box. And I know that a lot of them are going to go out the door pretty quickly. Because we have recently been sharing with you inspiration and reasons to why you need this little stamp press, I had a feeling you might appreciate having some bigger ones as well. So for the first time in a long time, we've got the super size ones in, and these of course are great for your background stamps. So think along the lines of like your script background stamps, your fabricy background stamps, those big backgrounds that you're going to try and stamp multiple times. This is going to help line those up and be able to do those in exactly the same way as we mentioned with the little ones. They've got squishy feet on them. Line it up, give it a push down, and then move it around to where you want it to be for the next one. Now, something else that we have had quite a little bit of popularity with recently is crimpers. And this one is a wavy crimper. So instead of just making your ordinary kind of impression, this one is going to give you a wavy finish to it. And these are really good value. We do, of course, do the straight crimpers as well, the traditional crimpers, but these ones are wavy ones, and there's a few of those coming out of the box. Then we've got one of our first albums. Now, I have a feeling you are going to find more of these throughout the box, because every time we do an unboxing for Crafts 2 at the moment, you're seeing these and you're coming in your droves to buy them. These are brilliant. I'm going to even, can we get into one of these? Where did I put those scissors? I shared with you the big one, didn't I, or the boxier one last time. Let's share with you one of these. I haven't added this to my stash yet, so I might treat myself to one of these because I love these. Let's have a little look in here. So in this one, you have got 8 sheets and everything you need is already constructed for you. So you can simply decorate and flip through your booklets. You can add more to them. You can add your pockets to them. You might use it as a journal, a brag book, a mini album. You might display your cards you've created in here. It could be all sorts. It could be a menu. It could be all the different types and reasons that you could possibly think of, but all done, built out, ready for you. And one of the bits I love is that unlike a lot of albums and books where they kind of squidge your pages, with these ones there's enough lift in there that you could really be quite 3D in dimension on each page, and you've still got that room on the spine to be able to build those out. Again, these have got 10% off and they are a great price point. I can't remember how much they are, but they're a really impressive price point. So I think you might like to have a little look at those if you've not seen them before. We've also got some of John's Magic Mats in A4. So these again, a bit like the ones that we looked at earlier. Great for blending, great for holding things in place as we're working with them. Then we've got another box within a box. What could be within the box within a box? I had a feeling there would be more. We are talking more albums. So these are similar to the one I just showed you, or exactly the same. And then we've got the different version. This is the one with the magnetic clasp shutter on it. Again, pages throughout, all equally spaced perfectly for you. And then that magnetic shutter that comes round on the front there, sitting as a little square. And these, again, have been very, very popular. There is loads of these in here, so we're not going to dig through all of them. We'll see if we can take that out of the way, because we want to get to what's underneath. So what's underneath, you say? There are not brand new, sorry, but back in stock embossing folders from John Next Door. These are lovely pine cones for Christmas. There are back in stock embossing folders, this time from Nelly. This, of course, is little Easter bunnies located in a little crosshatch lattice. There is a few more of those tools, thank goodness, because I had a feeling I was going to get gelled out if we'd only got the one coming. But there is lots of those coming out of the box as well. So we'll take these and put these over on one side. And then we'll carry on digging through. This, oh, finally we got there. This is the new John Next Door die. Isn't this a stunner? Look at this for a set. There are 8 dies within this set. We, of course, have it available with 10% off. It is going to make the most beautiful cards. Isn't that stunning? So you can see here you've got your frame running around the outside to cut those around the corner effects. Then you've got your daisy oval. You've then got the insert panel to go with it. And you've got what looks like a little floral die to build up around it as well to coordinate in with that frame. I predict this one is going to sell out probably this evening. Although we've got quite a lot of them, they don't linger long. We keep telling you John launches 6 PM on a Tuesday. So keep an eye when he's got dies coming. We're allowed to sell them and bring them to you as of 6 PM on a Tuesday. Quite often they're sold out by Wednesday morning-ish, and then we can no longer get them. So don't miss out, get them while we've got them. Some manage to linger a little bit longer and we can reorder them, but not always. This is one that launched recently. This is one part of the Strawberry Fields collection. This is actually called Strawberry Fields, and this one is now back in stock for you. So it can happen. We do sometimes get restocks, but it's not as often as we would like. They're just too popular and they're gone. Then we've got some more Nelly folders. This one is the lovely 3D embossed rose running around that corner. Isn't that pretty? And of course can be used in multiple directions so that you can build that up to create some stunning effects. You could even do all 4 corners on a scrapbook page. That'd look lovely. Then if we keep going, a couple more John dies coming out this time. Some of his frame maker collection. These are the 7x7 square frames. And we've got some of the Strawberry Fields leaves as well. So a few of those coming out of the box. And then this is something that has been proving ridiculously popular recently. Since our unboxing videos have been going live, you have been falling in love with the Crafts 2 clear stamping blocks. Now, you've seen Laura use these on the recent Sunday showcases as well, and I think she's explained to you why she loves them so much is because of all those little shaped finger holes make it super easy for being able to stamp them. You can see here we've got two sets now. We've got the small and the medium in this side, and then we've got the medium and the large in this set, just giving you more options of sizes to be able to go through. And as you can see across the board, we've gone for quite a few of them because we're tired of them keep selling out so quickly. So if you need those, they're available for you as well. Then lastly, what have we got in the bottom of the box? We have got some Versa Fine ink pads, a little top up of those. We have got a couple of press cut dies, and where we always end within our boxes, it's always reoccurring, is our A3 mats. I'll dig those out in a second. 24 dies running through the rectangles here in the press cut nesting die sets. A lot of you like to collect those. There's a lot of options and scope with them. And then lastly, very last bit of the box is our A3 cutting mats. We keep selling out of these every time we bring them to you on a video. I think the reason you love these so much is on one side they are pink, on the other side they are black and pink. And it just gives you the ability to pick which side you want to be working on for what kind of project you're working with. Maybe you're going to use paints and glues on one side and you're going to keep the other side nice and clean. Maybe you're going to work on the dark side with lighter colours and the light side with darker colours. Whatever it may be, these mats cover you for all of your essential cutting and worktop needs. And of course, once again, have 10% off of recommended retail price, along with many, many, many items that we bring to you here at Craftmania. Speaking of bits you might also wish to check out, whether you're coming in store or you're shopping with us online, we have got a huge array of sale dies that I've been covering up with this delivery, all at £2, £3 and £4, available online and in store. So you might wish to check out a few bargains while you're on the website, looking at the bits and bobs we've been looking at in today's unboxing. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to spend over £15 to qualify for your free UK P&P. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.